I'm right behind you, Stan.
I want to do it one at a time.
We shouldn't have done it. Oops. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Probably get a bit further right than what I was.
Yeah, well, mate. Rightio, kids. Hang on now. You right, Dal?
Yeah.
Filming?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm gonna hold this
I didn't want to tip over like Stan nearly did. He had too much weight up on top.
Yeah.
He'd be flat out getting back up that hill. We'll do it.
How did that guy do it?
Oh, well, he done it.
Dad, are we doing it?
The thing is, I'm here. Stan needs to be pulled out, so.
Dad, are we doing one at a time?
Yes, darling. Where's that rock? Where's the rock?
Standing on it.
How close are you to it? I think I can see it.
I can see, yeah, there.
Okay.
There's underneath. Oh, you can.
You filming, mate?
Huh?
You filming?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you want to get back there a bit? Zoom right out.